Welcome to Product Critique, where we provide you with in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. In today's episode, we'll be taking a closer look at the ASUS Dual GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card, a powerful GPU designed for gamers. We'll explore its key features, performance, and why it might be a great addition to your gaming setup. The ASUS Dual GeForce GTX 1650 utilizes the award-winning NVIDIA Turing architecture, ensuring breakthrough graphics performance for your favorite games. It boasts ultra-fast GDDR5 memory with over 50% more memory bandwidth, enabling high-speed gaming and smooth performance. With GeForce Experience, you can easily capture and share videos, screenshots, and live streams with friends. It also helps you keep your GeForce drivers up to date and optimize in-game settings. This graphics card is equipped with IP5X dust resistance, offering protection from particle ingress for enhanced durability, especially in dusty environments. ASUS incorporates Auto Extreme technology, which utilizes automation to enhance the card's reliability, ensuring consistent and high-quality manufacturing. ASUS subjects these cards to a rigorous 144-hour validation program, putting them through stringent tests to ensure compatibility with the latest games. The included GPU Tweak 3 software provides intuitive performance tweaking, thermal controls, and system monitoring, allowing you to fine-tune your gaming experience. The ASUS Dual GeForce GTX 1650 offers two modes: OC mode with a boost clock of 1620 MHz and default mode with a boost clock of 1590 MHz. This GPU provides excellent gaming performance, capable of handling modern games at 1080p resolution with ease. With the added benefit of GDDR6 memory, you'll experience faster load times and smoother gameplay. You can purchase the ASUS Dual GeForce GTX 1650 for $174.99 on Amazon, with free delivery available. It's currently in stock, but there are limited quantities, so act fast if you're interested. In summary, the ASUS Dual GeForce GTX 1650 is a solid choice for gamers looking to upgrade their graphics card without breaking the bank. With features like NVIDIA Turing architecture, GDDR6 memory, and IP5X dust resistance, it offers a great balance of performance and durability. Whether you're a casual gamer or looking to build a budget-friendly gaming rig, this graphics card is worth considering. That's it for today's product critique review of the ASUS Dual GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next episode.